This is my math homework number 18, Wednesday. For the first one, it says, what problem is being shown below? So now you have 1/8 again, but there's 4 of them. So one way to write it is 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Or you can say there's 4 copies of 1/8. So you do 4 times 1/8. For the second one, it says which expression is equal to 23 over 41. So the way you would read that is 23 is being divided by 41, leaving you with the letter D. Multiplication is wrong, and B would be wrong because that would be 41 over 23. And then C is wrong because that's 41 over 41, which is 1 whole. For the next one, it says Avi used 4/5 of a cup of strawberries to make a puree. She used 2/3 of a cup of strawberries to make a cake. Which expression could be used to determine the amount of, it's supposed to be, amount of strawberries, not raisins, in cups Avi used all together. So the word all together means to add. So we would do 4/5 plus 2/3. And we would create our equivalent fraction. That's going to be 15 and 15. This would be times 3 to give us 12. This is times 5 to give us 10. And then when you add them together, well, you don't need to add them because it says which one is the same one. It would be the letter B because that's 12 15s plus 10 15s. A is wrong, it's not 4/5 plus 2 15s. And C is wrong, it's not tenths as our common denominator. For the next one, it says Astrid cuts a whole piece of wood into 4 equal pieces. The piece of wood was 27 feet long. So it's pretty much 27 divided by 4. And the way you would do that is, of course, 27 inside the house is being divided by 4. 4 can go into 27 6 times because that'll be 24. That'll leave you 3 left. So the answer would be 6 wholes and then 3 out of 27, which is the letter C. For the next one, we have to add or subtract the fractions. It's 4 and 2/4. Let me write that down. Plus 2 and 3/5. Here we go. Let's go and start with our common denominator of 20 and 20. This is times 5 to give us 10. This is times 4 to give us 12. When we add that up, we have 10 plus 12, and that will give us 22 over 20. And the way you would divide that is 22 is being divided by 20, which is, of course, 1 whole and 2 left. So it'll be 1 and 2 20th. Now we have 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus that 1, so we have 7, and then 2 20ths, which can be simplified by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2 to give us a final answer of 1/10. So it'll be 7 and 1/10. For the next one, it is 5 and 2/4 minus 2 and 4/5. We have to start with our equivalent fraction with a common denominator. That would be 20 and 20. This is times 5 times 5. That will give us 10. This is times 4, which is 16. You cannot do 10 minus 16. So we go to the 5. It becomes a 4. The 1 becomes 20 over 20, and that gives us 30 over 20. Now we have 30 minus 16. That will give us 14 over 20, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. Simplify, they're both even numbers. We divide it by 2, which gives us a final answer of 2 and 7/10.